Good afternoon, children. My name is Harshita. I am your art and craft teacher. Okay, so this video is going to be really special because we are going to learn how to prepare a beautiful painting from papers. Wow, right? So, do you know what we are going to learn? We are going to learn to prepare a sun. Okay, with different papers, newspapers, and if you have any other color of sheets, yellow, orange, a little bit of dark orange, right? So see, this is what you are going to learn today. This is a sun and a cloud, right? So you have to prepare it in your drawing file, right? And you can take help of your mom in cutting the sheets. Okay, you don't have to cut it by yourself because it's really risky for you. Okay, or you can tear it on your own, जैसे मैंने आपको वीडियो में दिखाऊंगी मैं अभी, आप देखना. Okay, so see the video, follow the instructions, okay, and prepare a really beautiful sun collage, paper collage. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So first of all, what you have to do is take a scale and a pencil and draw margins, both the sides, all four sides. Okay. Equally, you have to draw it. Okay, so our margins are ready. Now take a pencil or black sketch, okay, and write topic here. Topic, paper collage, bracket में sun. So we are going to prepare a sun today, okay, with the help of paper collage. And for that, take a big bowl, okay, put it in the center like this, hold it like this, and with pencil or sketch, let's take pencil only, draw a circle like this. Now remove the bowl. See, a circle is ready. Now what you have to do, draw a cloud here. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, and now what you have to do, you have to collect all the yellow papers in your home, scrap or any fluorescent papers like this. I have this glaze paper, this extra sheet of yellow color, these two shades of orange and yellow. Okay, you can take red one also if you want, or if you have at your home. Take these sheets. Also, if you don't have these sheets, you can take newspapers and cut all the yellow part in it, like this one. It can be used, you know. And now this one can be used. Cut all the yellow, red and orange part, and then afterwards we will prepare it. Okay, so let's see how we can cut from newspaper. You can take your mom's help in it. Now I'm cutting all the yellow portion from newspaper. Like this. you can cut this portion. Okay, so this can be used, right? Yellow portion. Now you can cut this yellow car also. You have to just roughly cut them because at last we are going to paste them only randomly. Okay, now like this you can cut all the yellow parts in a newspaper. So see, I have cut all these yellow and orangish parts, right? Now what you have to do, you have to cut portions from it like this. So our circle is very small according to it, right? So we can draw a circle from the same bowl and paste it with pencil. We will draw it and we can cut it. Or if you don't have this much big newspaper cutting, you can put small ones also. Okay, see, so this can cover your sun, right? Now for covering this portion, you can cut a yellow strip like this and you can paste it here, right? Likewise, you can paste this portion here so that it can be covered, right? So let's paste this one first. So now take Fevicol. First of all, we will paste these small portions. Make sure you don't come out of the circle, okay? And now after that we can put some Fevicol inside the circle. पूरे सर्कल पे फेविकॉल नहीं लगाना है क्योंकि उससे प्रॉपर्ली पेस्ट नहीं होएगा, राइट? ओनली इन द आउटलाइनिंग्स. एंड नाउ पेस्ट योर सर्कल. Okay, and the portion which is not pasted, use some more Fevicol for that. Okay, if you don't have newspapers, you can use magazines also. Okay, now I want to give it a shade of orange. So I'm taking this orange sheet, I'm folding it like this and I'm cutting small strip like this and small pieces. Okay, now put some more Fevicol at the corner where you want to put shade. Right, now with the help of a scrap paper, you can spread this Fevicol right? Now take these small pieces and paste them inside the circle only. Overlap them. In cutting, you have to take help of your mom or your brother or your father. You don't have to do it on your own. It's not safe for you, okay? Now paste inside. So I guess this much is enough, right? Now what you have to do, I'm taking this yellow glaze paper because I have it. If you don't have it, you can skip it, right? You can tear it also if you want, like this, small portions. Right? And put some more Fevicol where you want to put yellow portion. And yellow side you have to paste it inside the circle again, I'm telling. Like this you can paste. सन थोड़ा सा येलोइश होता है, थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज होता है ना, तो हमने इसीलिए येलो और ऑरेंज दोनों डाला है. एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ डार्क ऑरेंज. If you have newspaper, you can leave it like this also, and if you have other sheets of orange and yellow shades, you can do it like this I'm doing. If it's less, you can tear more. मेक श्योर कि ये सब कुछ अच्छे से पेस्ट हो जाए. ओके, सो इट्स पेस्टेड नाउ. अब हम क्या करेंगे कि हम दूसरा वाला ऑरेंज शेड लेंगे. अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो आप न्यूज़पेपर से भी रेड कलर का या कुछ और थोड़ा डार्क शेड का कट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ 2 स्ट्रिप्स लाइक दिस. 1 एंड नीचे आते आते थोड़ा पतला. A big one like this and a small one like this. And now we will cut it. So small one and big one. Now if you want some more colors, you can paste them also. So take Fevicol and put it here, paste big one here, right, and again put some Fevicol for small one, a big one, and then a small one. This sequence you will follow till here, whole circle. Okay, so first of all put Fevicol, सन की रेज होती है ना, हम वो बना रहे हैं। क्लाउड के अंदर रेज मत लेके जाना, क्लाउड के यहाँ तक ही बनानी है, ठीक है। उसके बाद पेस्ट बिग वन हियर, अगेन अ स्मॉल वन हियर, take again big one and paste it here, take small one and paste here, take big one, paste it here and take small one and paste here. अगर ख़त्म हो गए हैं तो आप और काट लीजिए, राइट। Small ones and big one. अगर ये एक्स्ट्रा बाहर शीट से जा रहा है तो आप बाद में कट कर लेंगे उसको। So like this you can paste it. अगर यहाँ छोटे हैं पोर्शंस तो आप इन्हें कट कर लीजिए और फिर पेस्ट कीजिए। तो जितना भी एक्स्ट्रा पोर्शन है यू कैन कट इट, जो भी आपके शीट से बाहर जा रहा है, राइट। So your sun is ready. Now for cloud. क्लाउड में कौन सा कलर होता है? ब्लू होता है, ग्रे होता है ना। तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे कि हम ब्लू कलर के कटिंग्स काटेंगे। So see, I've cut blue portion from newspaper. Now what you have to do, you have to cut small pieces जिस पर लिखा हुआ नहीं हो, है ना। इसी में से हाथ से ही कर लीजिए। right? Now from this one, right, we have cut these portions. Now cut small parts from it. Right, now put फेविकॉल in cloud. पूरे क्लाउड में फेविकॉल लगाना है, ऐसे बाहर नहीं जाना है क्लाउड से. Right, now take these portions and paste them. क्लाउड से बाहर बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, क्योंकि फिर आपकी पेंटिंग खराब हो जाएगी. अगर ये एक्स्ट्रा पोर्शन है तो इसको थोड़ा सा शेप दे दीजिए. If you want, you can add some more shades of blue here also, अगर आप चाहो तो, और अगर आपके न्यूज़पेपर में हो तो. आप इसमें दूसरी ब्लू शीट्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हो अगर आपके पास है, ठीक है. Now take some more shades of blue. I have these, so I'm going to paste them here. दूसरे कलर का जितना भी पोर्शन है उसे हटा देंगे. ओके, some more blue. आप ग्रे कलर भी ले सकते हो पेस्ट करने के लिए. ओके, So see, your cloud is ready now. Now what you have to do, take a black sketch pen, and when it dries you have to outline it. Okay, you can outline your sun also. Nice. You can do one more thing if you want. You can draw small pattern in the rays like this. One line, one round, okay, dots, again line one. You can crisscross it also. Okay, any other design if you want. Big dots, again lines, circles. You can use any other color also. I'm using black, you can use red one also, right? Wavy lines. To make it more beautiful. Don't come out of the strips, okay? Wavy lines again in this pattern. A dot and a circle. And you can also draw an eye. Make eyebrows like this of sun. Eyes of sun like this. Okay, and a big smile. Okay. So this is how you prepare paper collage of sun. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'm sure that you will definitely try this at home. Okay. Bye bye.